everybody, my name is Layla-Rei and welcome to Kids Kitchen, powered by Grace Tomato Ketchup. Today, we're going to be making Snappy Pizza, so let's ketchup into it. Oh, and also, I forgot to tell you, today, my friend Chef Bran will be assisting me. Here he is.
What are we cooking today?
Today, we're going to be making Snappy Pizza.
Okay, sounds good.
So, before we start cooking, we need to wash our hands for 20 seconds. First ingredient.
Okay.
Thank you. So, of course, we have our Grace Tomato Ketchup, our cheese, peppers, onions, Grace Frankfurters, Grace ham, and Grace Salami, and also our pineapples, onions, and basil. We're going to put these in the oven. Oh, but first, don't forget that you're going to need a parent or guardian supervision because this is very hot, so you don't want to go anywhere near those hot stuff.
What should we do now in the meantime?
Well, let's get started on making our Hawaiian pizza.
Great.
So there we have it, guys. This is Snappy Pizza.